It's a speed run showing you how Table Assist works. We're going to open up my computer. We're going to go to the USB stick. We're going to find table USB files, or if you just see these files right away, which is fine, they'll still work. We're looking to just run Table Assist CMD. From here, we need to choose what we're going to install. This is a BSX install. If I look at the USB stick, I can see I have BSX files, so I do need to choose BSX. The reason we did this was because of BSX Roulette in California, to be able to account for both of those. We can set the date and time here. Today is the 1st. I actually have the correct time. And we can set the time zone. We're specific. Set. We see our time is set. Should match here. We'll install software. What this is going to do, it's going to copy that folder from the USB stick to the C drive. It creates the AGS folder, puts the files in the AGS folder. If we're switching from BSX to Bonus Spin or to Stacks, it'll just delete the AGS folder and it'll copy the folder from the USB stick over to the C drive. Nothing for you to do at this point. Just allow it to do the install. Kind of get a timing here of how long this takes. The BSX files are a bit larger, especially if you're doing roulette. Configuration is complete. Nice. We can double check that by going to my computer. AGS, there's our file. Happy days. Next thing we do is we can install the certificate. So if the certificate is in the certificate folder, named certificate, has the password 1 password, the script should install this for us. We'll go ahead and hit install cert. We get import was successful. We can set our IP address, say we want to change it here to 102. Set. So now our IP address is 102. We can do a ping command, check to see if our endpoint, it calls out to the actual C drive, to the file that hosts the endpoint, to grab this, and then it sets a ping command to it. So if you don't know what your endpoint is, you could literally run this, hit ping, and it'll come back and tell you your endpoint is, say maybe it's 10.2.8.17. Depending on every VM, it's different. If you just want to go straight to network settings to check, go details, 102. So we're trying to make this all one screen for setup. If there is an issue with the controller, we can also use it for troubleshooting by getting the exception log. Just look for exception message here, or you can copy all this, send it to us, send us a picture of this, but this is the information we need to troubleshoot the device. From here, you reboot, test the equipment, do your table mapping and creation. When you're done, come back in here and push this button to enable write filter. When you push this, the unit will restart.